So we need to repair our very important little lawn tractor because we use this to clear the deer hunting areas of leaves and that, so we can put some clover down, and we also use it to clear the grass in around this area and of course up back there. However, last year TL nailed a rock with it and she's making a hell of a noise, so we're going to see if we can get it started, get it moved out, and we're going to use the tractor to lift her up and see if we can get a good look at the undercarriage of this tractor. I think she may have bent the blade on it, so we'll take a good look. It might be just an easy fix, who knows.
Everyone has an idea of what they want their lives to look like. Hopes and dreams get put aside as we keep moving forward. Somewhere along the way, we lose the vision we had to keep up with the Joneses. We live to work instead of work to live. Our hopes and dreams become somedays. Someday we will do that. Someday we will go there. Brad and I met in 2014. We were workaholics that didn't make time for ourselves because we were busy making a living instead of making a life. No one is guaranteed tomorrow. No one is guaranteed their somedays. We took the plunge, sold our homes, lived our dreams every day. We now enjoy life in our off-grid cabin in an area that provides us with a plethora of things we love. We travel and take overlanding trips in our 2021 Jeep Rubicon Don Lynn or our Palomino truck camper Kimberly to all of the places we've always wanted to see. With Ozzie our Adventure Pup alongside every step of the way. We couldn't be happier. Join us as we make the most of all of our somedays every day. Remember, it's never too late to live your life and live your somedays.
Oh, that's right, the battery's not there. The battery is there. All right, let's see if we can connect this thing. Negative. Positive. Turn on. All right, we're just gonna let it sit here and charge. And then we should be able to boost it. So I'm gonna push it out. So let's see if we can put it in neutral. Yep. Close this up. The brakes must have been frozen. I think you're going to lift it from the back end. I'll get something to clip on the back. So I'm going to turn it. I got to blow up the tires too.
Wait.
There. No, I don't need to go first.
Okay, now you need to put it not in neutral so that... G'day, mister! How you doing?
Really slow? Oh, wait. Perfect, right there. All right, well, I think you can see where the problem is. It's literally scraping on this, but it's hard to tell. Oh, you broke it. Ah, there it is. She broke it right here. She's broken, baby.
It's broken?
Yeah. So TL's looking up the cost of that part. It's called a mandril. And it costs about 45 bucks with taxes, so
$25.20.
not bad. You hit it hard, hon. You hit it really hard, though. So we are here at our lovely Craftsman LTX, and we sort of did an unveiling of what we need to replace. This is the mandrel. So the blade sits down here, spins, and the belt attaches to this. So it's come with some tools, and not tools, sorry, some screws for bolts. So the bolts screw up under the deck, so this will attach onto the deck, and then there's a cover that goes over top of this, and then of course, as I mentioned, the belt. So we have a little bit of work ahead of us. All right, let's see if we can get this thing off. I don't know if I can. This is all working. I need it. Well, we're not having any luck with this. The mandrel is totally broken on all 3 points, which means that in order to get that bolt off and the blade, I need an impact wrench, gun, and they're on there so tight. So I don't have the tools to do it. I'm not too sure what to do at this point. I'm gonna see if there's any tricks out there, so we'll have to do some YouTube research and see if there's a quick way to get this off.
The following morning, Gord arrived with his bulldozer to complete the clearing of our turnaround area. Interestingly enough, Gord had an impact drill readily available in his truck, which he used to remove the blade and pulley within seconds.
Here's the piece that TL broke. There's supposed to be 3 points where you put screws in that thing. She just destroyed it. Going to help Gord here. Got it covered. Good morning. We are going on a little adventure. Just recently, we had a major storm literally blow into the area, wiping out trees and destroying property. Now, being in the bush here, with the number of trees that are around our cabin, our hunting cabin, it gets a little concerning. Fortunate for us, we were not around. We were back in the Niagara region for work, and we came back. There was a lot of damage. So we're just going to go on a little tour here. We're going to show you some of the damage that was caused, and we got a lot of work to clean this baby up. This is the road that leads up to another cabin, and it literally goes along the side of my property, and this is the damage. This tree came down, and it's a fairly solid tree. I think this is still a hardwood. I don't know exactly the name of it, but just look way over there. Like you can see the trunk is huge, and it just snapped. So there's gonna be a lot of work to clear this up. And there looks like another tree just up here that came down, but this one's not blocking the road. There's one. Just small little guys from here. This one's fresh. Oh yeah, look at this. Some more trees down. Someone came up here and cut this just recently. So someone did come up here, and when they ran into that last one, they probably said that was just a little too much. Looks pretty clear back there, so that leads right up to the road. It's not much further to the highway from there. So yeah, a little bit of work to be done.
Dusty road stretches out so far under the light of a single wandering star.
I've chased the neon and the city height, but nothing feels as warm as the kitchen light.
I'm tired of the noise and the concrete sky. I need a place where the river runs by. I can hear the whispers in the evening wind, a melody where my story first begins. It's pulling on my spirit, it's a steady hand, leading me back to the familiar land.
It's calling me home where the shadows grow long, where I know the lyrics to every song. Back to the valley, back to the trees, where I can finally feel at ease. No more wandering, no more alone. I can hear the silence calling me home.
storm is just starting to come through. Major storm with tons of tornado warnings that's coming in. It just started pouring here, so we've been just in front of it. Anyways, things are looking good here at the cabin. Call it a night. So thank you guys for coming along, and hope you enjoyed this trip. Talk to you later. See you in the next video.